I am going. क्या ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है? No, it's not correct. Hello students. Today we will look at 20 common mistakes. Before we start, please like and subscribe. First sentence है. लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं थैंक्स गॉड. लेकिन ये सही सेंटेंस नहीं है. Because thanks is used when you are talking directly to someone. For example, thanks Pinky. So the right sentence is thank God. Next is, I prefer tea than coffee. Is this correct or incorrect? This is wrong. In English grammar, we never use the word than with prefer. क्योंकि prefer के साथ हमेशा to आता है. So, the correct sentence is, I prefer tea to coffee. I did a mistake. क्या ये correct sentence है? गलती करने के लिए did और do verb का यूज नहीं होता, बल्कि make और made का यूज होता है, तो सही sentence होगा. I made a mistake. Next is, please answer to my question. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. Because answer does not take the preposition to after it. हम सीधे बोलते हैं answer my question. To extra है इस sentence में. So, the correct sentence is, please answer my question. Next is, happy marriage anniversary. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. Here, marriage is the relationship, but wedding is the day. हम सालगिरह पर उस दिन को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, इसलिए हमेशा wedding anniversary wish करते हैं. So, the right sentence is, happy wedding anniversary. Next is, let's discuss about this. Is this correct or incorrect sentence? This is wrong. The word discuss already means to talk about something. So adding about repeats the same meaning. The right sentence is simply, let's discuss this. I have a good news. मेरे पास एक good news है. Is this right or wrong? This is completely wrong. Because news is an uncountable noun. हम count नहीं कर सकते. So we can't say a news. The correct sentence is, I have some good news or I have good news. Next is, she is more better than me. Is this right or wrong? This is wrong. Because better means more good. Saying more better makes no sense. It's a double repetition. So, the right way is, she is better than me. Next is, I am good in English. Is this right or wrong? This is wrong. Whenever we talk about a skill, talent, or activity, the rule is to use at. For example, he is good at cricket. Or, she is good at cooking. The right sentence is, I am good at English. Next is, I am married with him. मेरी उससे शादी हुई है. Is this correct? No, this is incorrect. Because हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं, उससे हुई है इसलिए to लगाते हैं. In English, we don't use with when we talk about marriage. We use to instead of with. The right sentence is, I am married to him. Next is, I forgot my phone at home. Is this right or wrong? This is wrong. In English, when you mention the specific location or place, you should use left instead of forgot. For example, I left my keys in the car. Or, she left her bag at the office. The correct sentence is, I left my phone at home. Next is, I have a homework to do. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. In English grammar, the noun homework is an uncountable noun. होमवर्क को हम गिन नहीं सकते, इसलिए इसके आगे ए लगाना बिल्कुल गलत है. So, the correct sentence is I have homework to do. Next is if I will see her, I will tell her. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. जब एक ही सेंटेंस में दो फ्यूचर की बातें हों, जैसे अगर मैं देखूंगी तो बताऊंगी, यहां इफ वाले पार्ट में कभी भी will नहीं आता. इफ वाले पार्ट को हम ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट सिंपल में रखते हैं. We use the present simple tense after if. The correct sentence is if I see her, I will tell her. Myself Anjali. Is this correct or incorrect? This is wrong. Introduction देते टाइम myself से start करना गलत है. In English grammar, myself is a reflexive pronoun, which means it needs a subject before it. The correct sentence is this is Anjali. Or my name is Anjali. Next is I, you and he will go to the party. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. In English grammar, there is a rule called the 2-3-1 rule. जब एक नॉर्मल सेंटेंस में तीन लोग बात कर रहे हों, तो सबसे पहले सामने वाले को इज्जत देते हैं, फिर तीसरे इंसान को और खुद को सबसे आखिरी में रखते हैं. So, the correct sentence is you, he and I will go to the party. Next is where is my pant? Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. In English, we always say pants, not pant. Pants is plural, we must use are instead of is. The correct sentence is where are my pants? Next is I didn't knew that. Is this right or wrong? This is wrong, because didn't is already in the past tense. You cannot use to past tense words together. We must use the simple verb know instead of knew. So, the right sentence is I didn't know that. Next is she said me the truth. Is this correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. Said cannot be followed directly by a person. Use told instead. Said के तुरंत बाद हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का यूज नहीं करते. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट लगाना है, तो said to me बोलो, या फिर said की जगह told का यूज करो. The correct sentence is she told me the truth. Next is I am agree with you. Is this correct or incorrect? This is wrong. Agree is already a verb, so don't use am with it. Just like हम ये नहीं बोलते. I am play. You shouldn't say I am agree. So, the correct sentence is I agree with you. Next is I am going. Is this correct or incorrect? I am going बोलना सही है, लेकिन जब आप कहीं से निकल रहे हों, तो I am going बोलना गलत है. Leaving का मीनिंग होता है मैं अब यहां से निकल रही हूं. The correct sentence is I am leaving.